Hey, what's up YouTube? For this video I wanted to review the Tinker Design Studio 4Runner 5th Gen transmission gear shift. It comes in three different versions. There's the transmission and the transfer case, the transmission only, and the transfer case only. I have a 5th Gen 4Runner SR5, so I only need the transmission only because the transfer case is that little plastic knob thing. I'll be going through the initial unboxing and the installation, so let's get to it. Nice box, engineered with a craftsman spirit, Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania. Ooh. Comes with a little sticker. There it is. There's a nice solid weight to it. Yeah, it's solid. I like how this feels. Comes with an Allen key, Allen wrench, two stickers actually. And I ordered an additional patch for the top, just in case I want to switch it out, change up the style. But let me go ahead and install this. See how it actually looks in the 4Runner, but man, I like the feel, I like the finish. It looks good. It's a solid metallic feel to it. Definitely a worthy 4Runner gear shift upgrade. So to install this, it's pretty simple. You just screw off the current 4Runner shift knob and screw on this knob. And the cool thing about it is, okay, I screwed it to complete lock, but you can adjust the height. So instead of having it all the way down here, I can screw it up to make it a little higher. And all you do is take the Allen wrench that it comes with and tighten the point at the top, and it eventually locks. So now this is actually firm at this height once you give it a good amount of tightening. So I thought that's pretty cool. I'm not really sure where I want to set the height for, but that's really all it is. So just remove that. There, it's all loose again. Just tighten it some more. But yeah, I think it's a pretty clean update, clean edit to the 4Runner's gear shift knob. This is kind of like this little plastic blob looking thing. Yeah, it's whack. This is way cooler. That's the only thing, it's just cooler.